fucking goes into your intake. Carbon fiber.
Oh, 390.
Okay.
I think they make 400. I looked at
But I'm on E85 right now.
No.
What the fuck?
I'm a U.S. Marshal. Get the fuck out of here. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no! Said the fox can start faster. What's going on, guys? So today we have some little plans. So one thing I do want to talk about is I know the garage is a bit dirty. We have my center force clutch for the 5.0 that we are going to be installing shortly on the car. But today we also are going to be getting some tires put on the 5.0 as the two front tires are very worn and you guys know that there's a lot of camber. We've had a little scare with the car and that is, well, since I added the two-step, making the flames is cool and all, but it can create havoc on the motor. We're not completely sure yet, but it sounded like almost as if it was knocking, but I don't think it's the fact that it's actually a big exhaust leak from the header manifold, from the header to the exhaust port right there, right on the head. So we're going to check that out today. But first, let's get a cold start and see Yogi. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of the sound. We're not completely sure, but it sounds like an exhaust leak. We're pretty sure. Yeah, that's a leak. Come here. Yeah, that's an exhaust leak. And I can smell it too.
Does sound like an exhaust.
Yeah, it is an exhaust leak. Oh! Right to left. Yeah, see, it goes away. It's an exhaust leak. So I'm almost sure it's an exhaust leak. We're gonna double check when we get to the shop. We're gonna put it on the lift, and we're also gonna check and see if it's leaking. Don't get me wrong, like I said before, this can cause a lot of damage sometimes, the two-step. And I do understand that, but like I said, I've had no problems with the Cobra, and I know that this is a newer car, this and that, but my suspicion is that it isn't, and it sounds like an exhaust leak to me. It's actually very smelly as well. Plus, we are using a paper gasket supplied with the headers, so where there's no sort of good seal provided, you know, in between the head of the car and the actual header. So my suspicion is that it is an exhaust leak. It just sounded like as if it wasn't, because I never hit the two-step. That's what I'm saying. It'd be one thing if I kept hitting the two-step like off the rev limiter, like bam, 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 and like all the timing components got messed up. But I don't think, I've never done, I only tested it once and that was it, at like 2,000 RPM. So when we get there, we'll find out. But we're also going to be getting some front tires as well, because, well, the inner tires wear out very fast with the setup because I'm so freaking low. Oh shoot!
For what?
The car.
I don't know. It could be in the.
I think it's the headers. It sounds like an leak.
Look at.
Dang, that Charger looking smooth. We gotta find out about this tick though, guys. I'm kind of scared. You know, who knows? We'll go from there. Right here at the header. Yeah, it's right there, yeah. Or somewhere right there.
Is that supposed to be pushing air? Or
no, yeah, that's the fans and shit. You have to like tap it, you hear it.
It's like when you take it off. Just like.
Not a lot, no. Like as if you're taking off from a smooth style. Yeah, you hear it. Yeah, like that, like that. It's like that. See, you hear it? Yeah. Is it a leak? Yeah, hear that? The little tick? Yeah, that.
All these bitches got me nauseous. Sipping on the syrup like coffee. Oh God.
Yeah, these are worn out. Like imagine, it could blow out for sure.
Yeah, because you're running camera.
Yeah. Look at that M4 right there. That thing looks clean. I do like, a lot of people ask me like, do you like Euro? Do you like any other brand other than muscle car? And of course, you know, I feel like for me, I like any sort of car. You know, it'd be dumb of me to say I don't like any other car, because there are a lot of other cars that I do like, but the Mustang is just something that ties to me personally, and it's just something I really like. So can't go wrong with the Mustang, can't go wrong with any other car. Everyone's been missing your ass.
What do you want me to say?
Where you been? You been in Bikini Bottom or what?
I've been where the race cars rest.
Okay.
But coming back out. So.
Alright, for sure.
I think you're cool because you got a Sony A7 IV Mark III's.
The A723S. Alright guys, so we just made it to Abraham's. Pretty much we're gonna see a race go down between the Z71 truck and Abraham's race truck, which is the 5.0 crew cab. So we'll let you guys know what happens. We got the new tires on, and let's see what this goes down with.
Not bad for a Chevy.
Whoa, what are you doing back here? You getting ready?
Yeah.
The ceramic coat's doing its job. Very dusty, let it cure for a week, so now we're gonna wash the car, but gotta get ready for a little race.
Yeah, it probably is.
Side bets or what?
I got my bet. Okay.
Well, I mean, I think I'm gonna do the truck too, or the 5.0.
Well, they're both trucks.
I build the 5.0.
So.
Well, I'm not discriminatory towards any sort of car, so. I don't know, we gotta find out. We'll see.
Well, I am Chevys, but
okay, so explain the car. Okay, we got a 5-liter Coyote truck, 10-speed, and then we have the 6.2, the 6.2, and that is a 10-speed as well. So they have the same. They have the same transmission.
This fucking goes into the intake. Carbon fiber. No, that just goes straight through.
Oh, it is. That's weight reduction right there.
420.
The motor even smells.
How much did yours push? How much did yours push?
390.
Okay.
I think they make 400. I looked at
But I'm on E85 right now, so.
So 500 about.
And I got driver mods, so.
All right, so we have Mr. Tyson in the studio right now.
In the stew.
10-speed 5.0 versus 10-speed 6.2.
Yeah.
Right?
Same transmission.
Same transmission, so comes down to weight and driver mod, of course. Oh, left good.
Yeah,
she hooked right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we'll do a roll because the fight.
I'll call it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
What?
What? Oh, hell nah.
No.
What the fuck?
I'm a U.S. Marshal. Get the fuck out of here.
What the fuck?
I mean, I know they don't go more than 60 in about 10 seconds, but go race somewhere else. Hot rods.
What the?
Over nothing.
Is that a U.S. Marshal?
Yeah, let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
That was close.
What the?
My nuts.
He was like, we didn't say nothing. He was like, I don't know how to react now.
No,
He was like, he's probably like, what did he say? I got everything.
Yeah, he was like, like what the fuck? Creepy ass laugh.
Like mad.
Like that was a creepy ass laugh, bro.
Oh, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
If I hook, I take off.
Yeah, dude.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Oh! No! No! No!
Oh yeah, he definitely.
Oh hell no! Shit. Alright guys, so pretty much what happened back there, I guess some guy got mad that we were racing on that road, and he was like, I got a strap behind my back or something.
Yeah, he was like, you want to see what's in my back pocket?
Yeah, he's like, I didn't catch on at first. He's like, I got something in my back pocket. And I was like, what the hell? And we just ignored him for a second. And then after, he got mad, but we still did it anyways. We did full send squad out here, never boys.
Yep. Straight in front of him.
I know, straight in front of him. And he was like, those cars probably don't even do 0 to 60 in 10 seconds. But these trucks are way faster than, I bet it'd spank anything that was in their driveway, to be honest.
Oh, most definitely.
Yes. Oh, no. Oh, hell nah.
Shit.
Wait, why is it? Oh, hell no.
Oh, like, speed limit at 98 miles an hour.
You get cut off at 98.
Oh,
I got the jump.
hit.
Oh, shit. Nah, you.
Yeah, you got the hit big time.
You got the hit. Well, if you left at the same time, you would have been more even for sure. Hey, you want to see what's behind my back?
What?
The guy, that's what he's saying.
Yeah.
The guy back there, he's like, you want to see? He's like, I got something behind my back.
The U.S. Marshal?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I waited. I looked at him. He didn't have nothing.
Yeah, he was like, go and see what's behind my back. I was like, what
Maybe in
the?
his pants if he did.
He didn't have shit because I was looking at him.
Yeah,
He didn't tell me that.
I swear to
He was
God.
just like, I'm a U.S. Marshal. Get out of here.
It was hella funny.
You hot rodders.
That was just dumbfounded.
You hot rodders. And he started laughing. It was weird.
Well, yeah, the filter for sure.
Mm-hmm.
But like everything else is the same as the stock shit.
Did you put a throttle body spacer?
Nah.
Gee.
And then
Where was it pinched?
Well, it was pinched in there somewhere, but
That shit's funny. Alright, well, let's see what Abraham says. Because he said the Fox can start faster. We're gonna time it on a stopwatch.
because I don't really know if I have gas.
Oh, what the? You all confident? What the hell happened now? Ooh. That's not pretty bad.
That shit started at 0.73. What'd you get?
My fucking job is starts real quick. I mean, like it's a cold start. It goes on cold start real quick.
What do you mean?
I won.
What was it?
That's the
I got 0.98 on mine. On yours. Look, I got 0.98 on yours.
The 4-cylinder swap 5.0 is more reliable than the fucking 5.0
I beg it's different. Hey, hear the knock though, tick.
That's exhaust leak.